Welcome to my channel, Wrangler Renters. This is probably your first time here, maybe not, but either way, most people don't tend to watch videos to the end and then go and subscribe no matter how much we plead. So maybe you could pause the video right now, go subscribe to my channel, and then we'll continue with the video. I'll wait for you. I'm trying to build the channel up, get up to at least 500 subscribers, so anything you could do would really help. So let's get into it. In today's video, I'm going to give you an overview of replacing the front end on this 1997 TJ Wrangler that I've been working on. And that means replacing the drag link, the steering stabilizer, the tie rod, stabilizer bar, and bushings, the bushings on the stabilizer bar, and the stabilizer bar links. Side note, put in the comments, do you guys call it stabilizer bar or sway bar? I've always heard sway bar, but I only see stabilizer bar in the parts list. Sway bar is a lot easier to spell and type, but anyway, I digress. So I'm gonna give you some tips and thoughts along the way. Try to make this video as short as I could, so I'm not narrating through the whole video, but there's some captions with some help and some tips. Also, the description of the video has a lot of good information. I'm gonna give you two different ways of looking at it, a really short version that just gets it in and gets it out, and then a little bit longer that describes some of the issues I encountered and the whole process from beginning to end of doing some of the stabilizer bar work and then also the front end work. So I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, comments are always welcome. Thanks a lot. I was looking around on the Jeep and lubricating all the steering components, and I noticed that well, you can't really see it very well in the video, but the tie rod bushing is shot. It's totally smashed up in the top there. You might be able to see it. It's just all a mess. And then on the other end of the tie rod, it's the same. Out here, it's all smashed. So I guess instead of trying to mess with this rusty mess, I'm just gonna end up replacing the tie rods. I used a 10mm socket to get the 4 bolts off of the cover here for the stabilizer bar. Pull that off. So that video kind of cut off at the end a little bit, and that's because the job took me about 8 hours from start to finish, taking about a 30-minute break for dinner. Some of that is because I went nice and slow. Some of that is because I ran into some issues, most of it of my own doing, and you saw some of the notes of that in the captions in the video. So make sure that you get the stabilizer bar in right side up, and also don't waste an hour of your time trying to untrap a box wrench underneath the grill because you got it up in there and you couldn't. It was a ratcheting box wrench, and so I couldn't just tighten it back down. Gave me a bit of trouble. Anyway, it was a pretty good project. The Jeep's driving great now, a lot sturdier, a lot more solid, and should be in good shape for steering for a good time to come. If you have any comments, questions, feel free to submit those in the comments. And then, of course, like, subscribe, even hit the notify bell if you want to see my videos when I put them out there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.